Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can fix filters over on Snap camera. You can see the filters are not showing to me. I have these blank boxes instead of filters. So what you're gonna do, you have to first of all go to your browser and proceed with this given link. I've added this link in the description so you can access it from the description. Once you're there, scroll down here under instruction for PC, proceed with this first link. Now you have to choose the snap camera file, so click on choose file. So how you can choose the file, first of all go to your desktop and then go to the file location of your snap camera where you have installed the snap camera, and you have to copy this directory. After copying the directory, you have to paste the directory over here, and then I'm going to copy and paste it again here, hit enter, and there you go. Now you have to select snap camera file and hit open, and just simply click on apply patch, and you will have a new file of snap camera. So here I have this file right here. This is basically the launcher for snap camera. So now what you're gonna do, first again go back. So first of all I'm going to change the name of this file just to remove patched and hit enter. Now you have only snap camera, you can see. So now what you're gonna do, you have to copy this file and paste it to the main directory of snap camera. So first of all delete this, and once you will get this type of error over on snap camera. So how you can fix that, just cancel it from here. Now open your task manager, and here you will find the snap camera which is currently running in your background. So we need to close the snap camera. Alright, so this is not here, but yeah, it's in details. So just click on end task, and there you go. Now just delete the snap camera file. Alright, so now paste the new patched file, click continue, and you can see the file is now here. Now just run this file as an administrator, and boom, you can see now all the filters are available. So this is basically how you can fix filters over on snap camera. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.